in your opinion, what are some of the leading issues for laundry owners today, and in the coming months as we flip over to the new year?
I think one thing is inflation, the high cost of everything, including getting replacement equipment. That's nobody's fault. That's just how the world is. I think another problem that I've come across is really just getting the word out. I mean, everybody obviously knows what a laundromat is. Okay. And you live in an apartment, they don't have a good facility, you come to a laundromat. Your washer and dryer breaks. Okay, I gotta go. Where's the nearest laundromat? You go use it for a week until you're okay. But a lot of people don't realize about the pickup and delivery and the wash and fold. So I know a lot of people spend money on advertising. So if somebody Google searches it, they will come up, and that's great. But a lot of people don't even know to search it in the first place. Yeah, because my wife, when we got into this, she's like, "Wow, I wish I had known about that." I have three kids. The youngest one is 18, but at one point, they're all in activities. She and I both have a job, and the laundry just gets higher and higher and higher. So it might have been nice to occasionally just like, look, I'm gonna take this off my plate. You guys go wash and fold it. But if you don't know it exists, you can't be looking for it. So I find part of what I have to do is just to go out and educate people. Like, did you even know we could do this for you?
Right, the customer doesn't know what they don't know.
Right.
So it's marketing and it's education, and absolutely. So that's certainly an issue, especially as more and more operators get involved in the full service aspect of this industry.
Right.